Welcome back everyone, and I think now is the time to take a look at the exam sample question related to the topic mobile analytics data. So let's start with reading the question. You are the quality specialist in a mobile application development team. For which of the following would mobile analytics data be used in the test strategy or test plan? A. To define the expected user base of the application. B. To derive test levels, test cases, and test data. C. To select the device portfolio and prioritization for test execution. And lastly, option D. To select the application type and development model to follow. Select one option. Alright. I think it's a good idea to pause the video for a maximum of 1 minute and try to answer this question on your own. Then we can discuss it together, and you can pause the video right now. Very nice. So the question states that you are a quality specialist. This means that you are probably a software tester, test manager, or any related quality position. And you will be using mobile analytics data to assist in the test strategy or the test plan. Now, the question challenges us to define how we would use this analytics data. So let's take a look at each option and try to understand whether it's a reasonable option or not. Let's begin with option A, defining the expected user base. I would say no to that. You see, the test plan or test strategy primarily deals with the application itself and outlines how the verification and validation process will take place. The expected user base is related to the product vision, which is absolutely not related to the test plan. So option A is not the one we are looking for. The same can be applied to option B, as defining the test levels, test cases, and test data is more related to the application requirements themselves, the scope, and the objectives of testing. Hence, option B is also excluded as the correct answer. For option C, this one sounds like very proven usage of analytics data a test specialist would utilize. As mentioned during the lecture, exhaustive testing is impossible. Hence, using analytics data is crucial to be able to pick the devices most used in the selected market. This will make us test the application on the devices that resembles the majority of users and ensure a satisfactory user experience when users operate the application. So I think we will take option C as the correct answer to this question. Now let's take a look at option D, which should be a false statement, and this is true. The application type and the appropriate development model is determined as a result of the business needs and technical needs discussions. So option D is confirmed to be an incorrect option. So I believe that option C is the only option that matches how analytics data can be utilized by a test specialist, and I think it's safe now to declare that option C is the correct answer to this question.